So here comes another small bike gear Black Friday deal. Yeah, this is the Alpinestars Rayburn version 2. Yeah, really nice classic looking motorcycle gloves to match my brown boots, and yeah, have a zipper on the upper side of the hand and also those really hard knuckle protections and some extra layers of protection on the palm. Feels really nice. And yeah, one thing I can say about those gloves, those are actually XL. Usually I'm somewhere in between medium and large. So yeah, those are at least 1 to 1.5 size smaller than your regular gloves. Just bear that in mind. But yeah, otherwise really nice. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.